Oh, okay, I've got the sheep in the background. Perfect. Morning, people. We are here, stuck in the fucking middle of Wales somewhere. Weather is just getting nice and sun's coming out. Looks like shit over there, but we'll see what happens. Hyper's on, got the crazy tyres, crazy SuperDuke, and the nice, sensible BMW at the back. So yeah, let's get to this Black Mountain Pass and then see what happens. Stretch was lovely. See a couple of bikers, a couple of cars. Watch, there's loads of sheep on the road over there. Oh, fucking caravan, we're gonna get stuck behind him again. Fucking hell. That's why I keep saying, if it's clear, just, it's fine. Right, let's do this then. Top gear, come on. We'll catch that cunt up and then pass him. Let's sample the Black Mountain Pass, bitches. Fucking hell. Mate, how sick. How sick. There you go, mate. You still stuck me on the caravan?
There was a couple of guys parked up there with the camper stand. Yeah, so I was like, hey.
They're just filming. This is a filming spot, isn't it? Round. There's a car behind you. That's what I'm saying, get off the road. Or indicate, or something. Tell him what you're doing. I was saying you want a bit of an angle like that, don't you? So you get... kickstand.